Your Excellency, I have the honor to present the letter of credence which the President of the Republic of Estonia has addressed to Your Excellency, accrediting me as the Ambassador Extraordinary and Plenipotentiary of the Republic of Estonia to the Republic of Fiji.
Your Excellency, I am pleased to receive your credentials. I welcome you mostly to the Republic of Fiji and I wish you a happy and successful mission. Please convey to the President, the government, the people of the Republic of Estonia our warmest wishes for their continued well-being, for peace and prosperity.
Thank you.
Thank you.